Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, and today's a professional development day at school, so yay for 4 hours of all long classes. Wow, that really was a long 4.5 hours. But more exciting today is the fact that in about, an hour, I'll be leaving for Los Angeles. I have a program at a college there to attend, and I'll be staying until Saturday. Gotta love cruise control. My foot isn't on the pedal. So it is about 5:10 and we've stopped here at Coalinga, California to have dinner. At this place, Harris Ranch. My mom says they're like famous for steak or something. We're about halfway to LA and I'm not even bored yet. Driving with cruise control is so fun. $24 prime rib. That steak was amazing. I devoured it. I couldn't stop gnawing away at the bone. But it took us about an hour and it's almost completely dark now. This is our first fuel stop. And we can start to see the city. Six Flags. And the rain is really coming down.
Followed by a diagonal right turn.
Here we are at USC. I'm in LA, just south of downtown, next to the USC campus. Surprisingly, it's actually raining, but I was really surprised when I walked in here and saw the big signs and everything. It really excited me. Now, believe it or not, I actually planned on talking about a topic for today, but 6 hours of driving and having nothing to do but think and listen to yourself can really do weird things to your head. So, good night, everyone. Good morning, world. It's Thursday. And yesterday, this is how many miles I drove.
Figueroa. We'll be traversing all of these, but just to kind of give you guys some sense of feeling. Now, on the whole, that's about Los Angeles, that we will not expand any further to the west. So you guys are seeing what is absolutely, at the end of the day, the end of USC on this side. Now, that's not to say we won't build elsewhere, as we'll notice as we keep going. Fraternity or sorority? Fraternity. Fraternity is correct. Now, guys, talk a little bit about Greek life. Beautiful downtown LA skyline. I promise it's clouds, not smog, for the one day of the year. But if you were to be heading north, now as we head down what we like to call Restaurant Row, the restaurant of Panda Express, the restaurant of McDonald's. Yes, exactly. This is a very popular place for students to eat, especially as you grow up a little. You don't have the meal plans anymore. Parents, you'll start noticing a lot of debit card statements, well, from this area right here. The only one not included is USC football. Talk about football a little bit more in a little bit. Let's see, my last year tickets were, I believe, $155 for all 6 home games. Best guess, ballpark, in front of you as you look left, that is, would be the Rose Gardens. The Rose Gardens are over 1,500 different varieties of roses here, one of the largest in the United States, if not in the world. And gentlemen, just side note, great place to take a date, throwing it out there. Not that I've ever done that. I'm a hopeless romantic.
You have to come back and actually apply. You have to...
When do you play a musical instrument? Okay, that's a large number. Does anyone play in your high school marching band?
scares me. This is Lady Gaga's Bad Romance.
We always want to give you every last opportunity.
Westwood.
Stop.